Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today I have this dramatic heavy black Arabic eye makeup look for you. I'm using the soft Glam palette today and I'm taking this shade Noir, which is a matte black shade, and I'm applying this all over the lid and extending it out. I'm then going to switch brushes and then blend out the edges using a fluffy brush just to soften the edges. Now taking Senna and applying this into the crease and blending out that black eyeshadow as well. I'm taking this gel liner from Maybelline and I'm just creating my inner corner points with this, and also creating a line across the lash line and along the tape as well. I'm not creating a thick wing, I'm just defining the eyes a little bit more. Then using the eyeliner again, I'm creating my second wing under the first wing. So just extending a smaller line out. And I'm also extending another line out in the inner corner of the eye as well. Then taking that black eyeshadow again and smudging this under my lower lash line and thickening the lines that we just created. Now taking the shade Temper and I'm applying this in the gap between the wing and then the inner corner of the eye as well. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply some false lashes to finish off the look. And this is the end result. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, please give this a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, then please subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!